What? You are saying that now you have to go through the Amazon video call verification process to make a new Amazon seller account? Oh no, that's scary. No guys, Amazon video call verification is not scary and you will clear it very fast if you watch this video carefully and follow each step. Hello sellers, I am Sania and welcome to my channel where I teach how to turn your visitors into buyers. I have been selling on Amazon for more than 5 years now and I think you need to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So without further ado guys, let's get to the point. Recently, there is a new option for registering with Amazon seller registration and this is video call. Before you verify yourself with Amazon on video call, you must provide some information which I discuss a lot on my channel. At the beginning, you enter data about your company, then the next two steps are about the seller information and the marketplaces where you want to sell the products. Then you have to enter the billing information and save the information that you have entered so far. But till this point sellers, the verification is still missing. So for this previously, you could either order an Amazon employee to your business address or meet at a location specified by Amazon for verification. But guys, recently these two options have been supplemented or added on by a live video call, which looks like this shown in the picture here. I just want to add on guys that I have a whole list of videos on my playlist here. It includes all the videos about the Amazon seller verification documents, Amazon seller interview questions, how to open an Amazon seller account from anywhere, LLC requirements and all the nutty gritty stuff regarding the Amazon seller. So do watch this playlist here as you can find the link in the description down below. So I highly recommend guys that you do watch this and it will clear out a lot of Amazon seller issues. Guys, this video verification is not that difficult to pass, but there are many points that you need to be careful about. So stick till the end of the video as each point in this video is going to be very helpful for an Amazon seller who is going through the Amazon video call verification process. Okay sellers, so you need to make an appointment for the Amazon seller registration video call. You should keep about 30 minutes free for this task. In some cases, a passcode will be sent to your business address by post, but it's very rare guys and it does not apply to all the sellers. Before the call, you should make sure that you are in a quiet environment with all the required documents in front of you. The day you confirm the appointment, you will receive an email from Amazon with more information and what you need to prepare for the meeting in advance. As you can see guys, in the email here, it is one of the students' email he received when he registered himself as a seller on Amazon. Sellers, I do live Amazon FBA trainings on my Facebook group. So make sure to join it if you want to learn more about Amazon FBA. And if you join now, you can get a free Amazon FBA cheat sheet, which will teach you step by step how to sell on Amazon and be successful. So make sure to click the link in the description down below and join today so that you don't miss out the valuable information. This email clearly indicates guys this appointment details according to your country's time and date, and if you do not join within 5 minutes of the appointment, your appointment will be automatically cancelled with additional fees may be charged for the follow-up appointments. Next comes the documents. You need to have some documents ready for the verification via live video call. These include an official valid photo ID. You will also need a bank or a credit card statement issued within the last 180 days. So be sure to have everything handy at the start of the appointment. You need to prepare original version of the document submitted for registration on Amazon and have them available before the video call starts. They will accept only the original versions of the documents submitted for registration on Amazon. Acceptable documents are a valid government-issued photo identity document, such as the national identity card or a passport. The document must include the following information: full name, date of birth, ID number, expiry date, signature of the holder, and the country of issuance or the country of citizenship. A bank statement or a credit card statement is also required. The statement must be issued in the last 180 days and include the following information: full name of individual name, business name, residential address or business operating address, and the bank information. Some video calls are recorded and stored by Amazon. This is the case because security and quality are to be guaranteed. Overall, the calls are also intended to deny fake accounts access to a seller account. In the past, there were many fake products to be offered on Amazon. So in order to minimize that, they have to do this in order to minimize that fraud kind of thing. And in this way, your identification documents will be carefully checked so that your identity can be confirmed and there are only the valuable and authentic sellers on the platform. For verification via live video call, you can use a classic PC, a laptop, or a smartphone with an integrated front camera. The preferred languages are German and English. If you want to have the conversation in another language, you can bring a person with you to translate for you. So it will be like really convenient for you and you can understand everything they say. Make sure you're joining the video call from a device that has a front-facing camera, a stable and reliable internet connection, and a Safari browser or a Google Chrome browser. Like they work really well. But depending on your device, guys, operating system, you can choose like either one of it. You need to sign in to Seller Central and click Join Call. Enable your camera and microphone when the browser requests for permission. The Join Call button will be activated 5 minutes ahead of the video call start time. Guys, if you are unable to join the video call due to the technical difficulties, they will call you within 5 minutes on your phone number that you need to use to register on Amazon, and they will guide you through all the steps that what you have to do. In this case, you may be asked to join the video call with an Amazon associate on time. So guys, that was most important information about the video calls in the Amazon seller registration. If you still have questions about Amazon video verification or have general questions about Amazon FBA, then do ask me in the comments below as I answer all of the questions. You can follow me on Instagram for more awesome, valuable content about Amazon FBA. I will be happy to provide you with advice and support. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our YouTube channel with the bell notification on so that you don't miss out any Amazon FBA videos. Do watch this next video that I handpicked specially for you.